We're here on a wonderful Friday evening, hanging out with Zach, you know, because that's what we do. Hi, Zach.
Hi.
There's a little echo in here.
Hey
Say,
guys, what's going on?
oh, nothing. You're so funny, Zach. Come here, give me a kiss.
We're all in this together.
You know, he's busy filming his High School Musical 3, but you don't know it's actually over. But you know, and then guess who else showed up here? Nick Jonas! Can you believe it? But he's a little flustered. Needs a little. What's it called when you're
flat?
when you don't like when you like space? Claustrophobic.
Why is he
So,
claustrophobic?
because his arms are like this.
Oh, look at it, Hey guys.
Hey.
What's going
Not much, Zach. High five. Hi, Zach. I love you. Oh, what's Nick doing over there in the background? Come on, Nick. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous.
Don't be a hater, Nick.
Hating on my Zackers.
Oh, hey Zach, I didn't know you were here.
Hey, Marissa, I was wondering where you went.
Hey, yeah.
Must use the trap door behind Zach.
This is actually a mirror.
He's blocked.
Door.
Yeah, it's like Narnia, except it's a mirror.
Is that what Narnia is?
No, Narnia.
Oh, I go to the closet.
Narnia's a closet. Hold it.
Oh, where did Reagan go? Hey Zach. Hey Marissa, what's going on?
I can't get up. Oh wait.
Oh no, where's Reagan? Reagan.
Where did Reagan go?
Where did she go? I don't know.
Oh, guys! Narnia was so sick. You have to go. Come on, Zach. Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
Come on. I know how much you love facing the camera, Zach. So. Okay. Okay, I bet he's having fun over there in Narnia. Oh!
Whoa!
Oh, did you guys hear that knock?
What are you guys doing? Your foot. Too loud. So reach left.
Yes, refrigerator. Oh my god. Look at this. Narnia.
Hey Jackson.
I feel like Alex always does it on their videos. Oh my god. Oh hey, that was
Okay. Al, I can't laugh anymore.
Oh my god. Oh,
I can't laugh anymore.
oh my god, stop it. Oh god, that was so funny. Say bye. Bye.